Okay, so hello again. Let's continue with the sentence completion with more advanced questions. Now we have two blanks here. Okay, we have the first one and the second one. As we always do, we will go with the strategy that we tackled before. We take the first space, then we look at the second one. So the movie's plot was what? It was challenging to follow. If it was challenging to follow, it wouldn't be engaging, it wouldn't be captivating, it wouldn't be simple. So the only answer that we are left with is the word intricate and complicated. So the movie's plot was intricate. It was quite challenging to follow. The storyline was complicated. The word intricate, by the way, means complex. Her presentation was what? She articulated her points clearly. Since she articulated her points clearly, that means she was persuasive, she wasn't confusing, she might be coherent and compelling. But the second space in the rest of the choices wouldn't be correct. So her presentation was persuasive. She articulated her points clearly. The delivery was convincing. Okay, here the novel's ending was what? It was expected. As long as it was expected, that means that the conclusion was predictable or foreseeable. Yeah, not surprising, not shocking. The traffic was what? It was moving smoothly. Since it was moving smoothly, then it's not congested, sorry, it's not jammed, it's not heavy, it's clear and steady. Simple as that. Her performance was what? It was impressive. His act, sorry, his performance was, if it was impressive, that means it wasn't mediocre, it was remarkable might work, and it was outstanding might work. So we have to move to the next space. So outstanding might work here. Commendable, no, of course, yeah, we remove this one. Of course, it wouldn't be mediocre if it was impressive, and it wouldn't be unremarkable if it was impressive. So the correct answer here would be A. So his performance was exceptional, it was impressive, and his act was outstanding. Like the dessert was what? It was rich in flavor. So if it was rich in flavor, it wouldn't be unappetizing. It wouldn't be delectable, I think. Or yeah, it might work. It wouldn't be unpalatable. It wouldn't be scrumptious. So the correct answer here, delicious and delectable. The meeting was what? It was productive. The outcome was something. So if it was productive, that means it was fruitful. That's it. Simply put. The weather was what? It was pleasant. The conditions were. So if it was pleasant, that means it was favorable or it was clement. We don't know because here we have the word favorable and unfavorable. Of course, it's not sunny or stormy and dreadful and horrible. So we are left with two choices here. It's either B or C. Let's see. B, favorable. It was pleasant. The conditions was unfavorable. No, this one is wrong. So clement and favorable. Clement means like mild or it's not that bad. The museum exhibit was what? It was fascinating. The display was something. Since it was fascinating, so it was engaging and captivating. Okay, we can say it was enthralling or interesting, but the second space wouldn't make sense in here. Okay, the last question. The book's chapters were what? They were short and concise. So the sections were, of course, elaborate and detailed. No. Maybe concise and brief. Lengthy, no. Expansive, no. So the correct answer here will be concise and brief. You see, what we are doing is simply we look at something that what we call context clues. Context clues is trying to find the correct or the meaning of a word that is a little bit difficult. How? We use something that is called context clues. So we keep on reading the sentence. You will find the meaning of the word in the following sentences, or you can do something like making inferences in order to understand what the text is all about, or what the passage is all about, or what the sentence or the phrase is all about. So you simply keep on reading regardless of the difficult word that you have. Don't panic. Things are going to be easy for you as long as you just focus and use some of your own like analytical and critical thinking skills. And the more you practice, the more perfect you get. So I'll be seeing you inshallah in the coming clips. We will be talking about reading comprehension questions. See you later.